Imagine your phone rings, you pick it up, and it's your grandson. His voice is shaking, he says he's in trouble. He needs money right now. And please, please don't tell mom and dad. Your heart drops. Of course it does. That's your love for him talking. Here's the hard part. These days, that voice might not actually be your grandson at all. Scammers can now copy a real person's voice using AI. That's just clever computer software that can listen to a few seconds of someone talking online and then fake how they sound. It's unsettling, I know. But I've got good news. And I mean really, really good news. You do not need to understand any of that technology to beat it. There's one simple habit that makes a faked voice completely powerless. That's what I want to give you today. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll feel a lot calmer about your phone. And before we start, I made you a free one-page guide called Spot an AI Scam in 60 Seconds. It's plain English, it's printable, and it's perfect to keep right by the phone. The link below will email it straight to you, no charge. Grab it whenever you like, and let's get into it. Okay, here's the one rule. If you only remember one thing from this whole video, remember this. Hang up and call back. Let me say that again because it's that important. When a call feels scary or rushed, you just hang up. Then you call the person back yourself on a number that you already have. Their number in your contacts. The number on the back of your bank card, the real number, the one you trust, not the one that they just called you at. Here's why this works so well. A scammer's whole game is to keep you on the phone with your heart pounding so you can't stop and think. The moment you hang up and dial a number you already trust, their trick completely falls apart. They can fake a voice, they cannot answer a phone that you are calling. Now, one important tip when you call back. Wait just a minute or two at first, or use a completely different phone like your cell phone or borrow a family member's. And here's the reason. A scammer can actually sometimes keep the old call open on their end even after you think you've hung up. They can even play a fake dial tone to fool you. So give the line a moment to clear, listen for a real dial tone, and then call. Let's make this real simple with an example. Say you get that, "It's me, I'm in trouble" call. The voice begs you not to tell anyone and to send money fast, maybe even with gift cards. That mix right there, a rush, a secret, and a strange way to pay, that's your 3-alarm fire. Do not argue with the voice. Don't try to figure out if it's really them while you're on that call. Just hang up, wait a moment, then call your grandson's real number, or call his mom. 9 times out of 10, he'll answer perfectly fine with no idea what you're talking about. Now here's the second piece, and it's my favorite because it turns you into the one in control. It's called a family safe word. A safe word is just a simple word or short phrase that your family agrees on ahead of time. Think of it like a secret password that only your real family knows. If someone calls claiming to be family in an emergency, you ask them for the safe word. Your real grandson knows it. A copied voice does not. Setting one up takes about 2 minutes, and here's how to do it well. Pick something that is not floating around on the internet, so skip pet names, skip the kids' names, skip birthdays, birth years, because a scammer can find those on social media. A short, silly phrase works best, something like purple tractor or grandma's blue boots. Easy for your family to remember, impossible for a stranger to guess. And share it in person, or say it out loud on a call you started yourself. Never put it in a text or in an email. That's it. That's the whole habit. Hang up and call back, and set a family safe word. Do those 2 things, and that scary call has no power over you at all. So let's bring it home. When a call feels scary or rushed, you do not have to figure out if it's real in the moment. You just do 2 things. 1, hang up and call the person back on a number you already trust. Wait a moment first or use a different phone. And 2, ask for your family safe word. The real person knows it. A faked voice never will. That's the secret. You don't beat these scams by being a tech expert. You beat them by slowing down and checking. And you already know how to do that. If this helped even a little, do me one favor. Share it with one person you love. Maybe someone who'd feel calmer knowing this. That's how we look out for each other. And don't forget, your free guide, Spot an AI scam in 60 seconds is waiting for you. The link below will email it right to you, so you can print it and keep it by the phone. I'd love for you to have it. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. You've got this. I'll see you on the next one.